Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix downloaded apps not showing on your iPhone. So if you have just installed the apps from App Store, now the apps are nowhere to find in your iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So the first step is go to your App Store and make sure that the app is installed successfully in your iPhone. The app that is not showing in your iPhone. So once you have installed the app and it's installed from App Store, it's showing the open option. Now move to the next step, enable show apps on your home screen. For that you can go to settings, click on home screen, and as you can see newly downloaded app, add to home screen. So if it's just on only library, you have to select add to home screen. So once you've done this, now the next step is you have to look into the folder. So like this, you have to find the app in the folder. So if you still not finding the app, you have to unhide the page. You can just hold on to it, click here, and as you can see, make sure that you select all these pages to show on the home screen. After this, you have to use the spotlight to find the apps. You can simply search for the app that are not showing on the home screen, as you can see. Now the next step is you have to reset the home screen layout on your iPhone. For that, click on settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset. You won't lose any of your data. Simply reset home screen layout. Here we go. Now as you can see, here is the app. So this is how you can fix this problem if the downloaded apps are not showing in your iPhone. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.